Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is ID. I will be starting a series, a monthly series on losing, more like a challenge. Yeah, a 1 month challenge on losing 1 kg monthly. So if you're interested, please join me. There's a link to join me. So welcome to the 30 days 1 kg weight loss challenge. It's very easy. No extreme dieting. It's going to be slow and steady. And also a very sustainable way to reaching your goals. So if your goal this year is to lose 10 kg, then this is the community for you to be, because we're going to take it slow and steady this 2025. I want all my ladies to lose at least a minimum of 1 kg every month. We're not doing any strict dieting. We're not doing any strict exercising. We will eat whatever, just eat whatever you want to eat. Okay? Eat whatever you like to eat. I will be there every week, beginning of each week, to tell you how to approach your meals. If you're tired of quick fixes, tired of losing weight, you can drop 20 kg in 2 weeks, drop 10 kg. If you're tired of all of that, if you're tired of all the quick fixes, I'm here. This channel is here. We are going to take it slow and steady, because guess what? I am the queen. I am the queen of losing 1 kg every month. And I want you to become a queen just like me. You may be asking, so how are we going to do it? How do we lose 1 kg each month? So I will show you guys a simple plan that I'm going to use. The goal for this month's challenge is to lose 1 kg in a very realistic way, with no strict dieting, no, super difficult exercises to do. And we'll do this together. Like I said, we will do this together. Okay, ladies. Okay, we are starting out on the 3rd of March. Okay, come ready. Okay, by the 3rd of March, we're starting out. But in the meantime, you have to go download some freebies that you need for the 4 weeks. All right, I'm gonna leave links for you to get what you need, and also join the community so that you can see what other people are eating if you need meals ideas, and also see what people are also doing. So it's gonna be a very bubbly community, very interactive community. Okay, so let me quickly just briefly tell you what is expected in the 4 weeks. Okay, for week 1, what I usually do, so I'm going to be just sharing what I do. Okay, for week 1, I'm not a nutritionist. I am not also a health person. This is just me sharing what works for me, and hopefully it will work for somebody. It will actually work for another person. So don't quote me on this. And please consult your doctor. If you have any health issues, you need to consult your doctor or a nutritionist if you have to, before you start this. Okay, for me, I've been doing it for years now, and it works for me. So I'm just sharing what works for me. Okay, so week 1, what are we doing in week 1? We're going to do a total colon cleanse, like we flush out toxins, because we've eaten so many things that we are not supposed to eat in the previous weeks. So we need to like clear out our system, so that when we start taking in healthy things, our body can absorb it correctly. Okay, so week 1 will be a total cleanse. So week 1 is just a 3 days. We do a 3 days cleanse before we jump right into other things. Yeah, so every week I'll be dropping nuggets and dropping things what you're supposed to do. So follow me in all social media platforms. This channel is just going to be like a summary of what we are doing. So, but if you need like a daily update, you have to either join the community or follow me on my other social media platforms. Okay, so week 2 to week 4 is just mainly healthy eating, simple workout. For me, what I do for my workout is I love to dance. So in the mornings, I just do a bit of weight training. So I just lift weights, do simple exercises at home. At home, I'm not a gym girl, but I plan to join the gyms. I plan. I'm hoping ID, you need to go to the gym. Yeah, I'm hoping to join the gym at some point this year, fingers crossed. But usually I just do a few at home exercises. So I have a YouTuber. There's a YouTuber I follow that just does a few, workouts with dumbbells and all of that. So I just do those things, and then in the evening, I I do my dancing. I love to dance. I love to shake, 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 just shake, shake up. I just love to dance, 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 dance. So I can spend like 30 minutes dancing, like serious dance. Yeah. So, and then I walk. I go out to do short walks. I don't believe in all these 10,000 steps, 20,000 steps. I just walk. I can do fast paced walk for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, I'm done. It's just the whole idea is within these 4 weeks, you have to be moving, be very mobile. Don't just sit down in one spot and expect some miracles. You have to be active. Yeah, you have to be active. So if you go shopping, like when I go shopping, I love to lift the things by myself. Even when people are saying, "Oh, do you need a hand or whatever?" I'm lifting water. I like to do it because it's a form of exercise. Lift those things, put in the car, push the trolley. Those are form of exercises. And when I'm with my kids, I have kids. I dance, we jump around, we get excited. Yeah, it's all part of my own exercise. So think of what works for you. Some people love to swim. Yeah, some people love to swim. Swimming is a very good form of exercise as well. So in the 4 weeks, so after the colon cleanse, we'll be doing a lot of meal prepping, and drinking a lot of water, encouraging water intake. You have to up your water, intake and all of that. And after 4 weeks, on the last day, we'll get feedbacks. We'll be getting feedbacks from people, how you're feeling, how you're getting on, any difficulties you share with me, and I can, tell you what to do. And at the end of 4 weeks, we will be happy, we will be just fine. And what I always encourage people to do, jump on the scale before you start your challenge. Please jump on the scale, take a picture of you on the scale to know what you wear. Yeah, if you go on my page, you see me taking pictures of that. It just encourages people, and you can also see your progress. Take a picture of that, and do your body measurement. Take arms, waist, hips measurement, just to see that you've lost a few inches of, you know, because after the 4 weeks, you're gonna still do the same thing, and you'll see that you've actually lost some inches. Okay, so in the past, I've run this with friends, and some people lose 2 kg, some three, but definitely you lose 1 kg. So imagine losing 1 kg every month, and for a year, you lose up to 12 kg. I'm sure you will reach your target weight come 2 years' time, or even within a year, depending on what you want. Weight loss should not be a hurried process. You take your time with it. Okay? Feel free to ask questions. I'm here to assist people as much as I can. I'm here to talk to you about how you feel and what your next step should be. Okay? Remember that when you do all of this, you're going to see changes with your skin, because I've had a lot of people say to me, "Heidi, what do you do? What do you do? You've got very lovely skin." Yes, you're going to see changes to your skin tone. You're going to see changes with your sleeping, habits. And you're going to see changes to your general well-being. You feel lighter. You feel, I don't know how to put it, but you just feel how your body feels. Honestly, you feel your body. You feel your body when you step out, and some clothes will start fitting properly, and you just love the way you feel. So weight loss, it's a gradual thing. I don't believe in rushing it. I don't believe in quick fixes. I believe in taking my time to lose weight. Imagine losing 12 kg in a year. Girl, you based on what you do, you're gonna maintain it. There's no way you're not gonna maintain it because you have created a lifestyle for yourself. Okay? These are my beautiful beads. My sister did this for me. You can contact her. I'll leave her social media handle as well if you want them. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So, okay. If you've reached this point with me on my YouTube journey, I'm enjoying this channel. Please like, subscribe, share to a fellow lady or a man that you think would find this useful. See you on my next video. My next video will be a 1 week recap of what has happened during the 1 week. So stay tuned. See you then. Bye. Bye, my lovely lady. Bye, 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 bye. Mwah.